will also find selfie points in the mall. हैप्पी मॉर्निंग। तो वीडियो निकलने के लिए कहाँ लेके जाती हूँ, चलिए बता दें। तो मैं आप लोगों को लेके जा रही हूँ आज ओमेक्स मॉल, जो है चांदनी चौक। तो ओमेक्स मॉल आने के लिए मैंने यूज़ किया है मेट्रो। मैं आज मेट्रो से आई हूँ और इसका नियरेस्ट मेट्रो स्टेशन है चांदनी चौक। तो यहाँ उतर गई हूँ मैं। अब चलते हैं ओमेक्स मॉल की तरफ। ये ओमेक्स मॉल की एंट्री है और यहाँ से मैं ओमेक्स मॉल is the best of Chandni Chowk under one roof. It has direct entry from Metro Gate number 1 with multi-level parking. This mall is spread over 4.6 acres and it offers food court and dining spaces with all the basic and modern amenities. So come, let me take you through this mall and show you all the brands that are available here. Kora by Nilesh Mitesh, which has men's stylish and ethnic wear for weddings, festivals and celebrations. Stella Toes, which is a family footwear store and has stylish and comfortable designs. You will also find selfie points in the mall where you can click your pictures. The interior of the mall are inspired by Mughals and British architecture. You will find the complete feeling of Chandni Chowk inside the mall. Helios Watch Store, which is India's leading luxury, premium and smart watches brand store. I could see several optical stores as well. If you want to do jewelry shopping for a special occasion, there are several top brands of jewelry in Omex Mall. Tanishq, your ultimate destination for gold and diamond jewelry. Let me take you to the first floor, which has the food court of the mall. Spacious, designed to accommodate a variety of dining options and ample seating arrangements. It is centrally positioned to attract maximum food traffic and serve as a focal point for the first floor. Yes, I definitely tried the food at the food court, but that I will show you in my next vlog. Just giving you a quick glimpse of the food court and this beautiful area. I was astonished to see the beautiful architecture of the mall. Now I'll show you some collections if you are looking for your wedding or special occasions. So I can see lots of designer wedding outfits. Much Essentials, a luxury destination for your wardrobe essentials. I can see some trendy designer bags at American Tourister and VIP Lounge. चांदनी चौक की फीलिंग आ रही है यहाँ पर आके। नया चौक, गुरुद्वारा सीसगंज साहिब, चांदनी चौक। Here is the brand Devo, an occasion wear brand for men by Sia Rams, a trusted name in Indian fashion. You can buy Indian wear for women like kurtas, dresses, suits from Libas. Now comes the White Hanger, which is a renowned clothing store that specializes in party and wedding wear products. Tasva clothing brand, which offers Indian wear crafted for the modern man. Manyavar, where you can explore the top line collection of kurta, sherwani, lehenga, saris and wedding and engagement dresses for men and women. So I will quickly take you through the beautiful lehengas and dresses which I can see at the display. Here is the Orni brand, Twamev, where you can find ethnic wear for both men and women. So there are Turkish lights at Al Turki. कल मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी दावतपुर.